Well, I'm here far too early, again, on day 2 of Fintech Connect in London Excel. It's a show all about financial technology, which is a very complex area. And my clients, like most of the other exhibitors, offer services which are very difficult to get your head around. I certainly had my work cut out when I was getting up to speed with a brief ahead of this show. It's also, fintech generally is an industry that is very international in nature, and most of the exhibitors here operate in many countries, and the fintech industry's various trade shows, the exhibition calendar for the industry is also very international. It's all over the world. So this one is in London, of course, but the next one I think is in Singapore. I do like an international show, so I might be trying to sell my services for a rebooking at the end of today. And so yeah, all good.
Good morning, mate.